Caesar's Palace on the right.
Oh, there she is. Woo. We're back at the Shop Inc. And it's the day that the unicorn's leaving for SEMA. I haven't seen it yet with the new additions on the car, so we're gonna show you what she looks like. It doesn't have the new wheels on it yet. Weld literally just finished them yesterday. Let's go check it out. Wow. They're really not that...
It's like subtly tasteful.
Oh, she's got new wide body fenders. Oh, that looks great. That looks really good. Still got some residue on there from the tape, but not to worry, the Man Cave guys are gonna get that nice and cleaned up. So these wheels are not gonna be the ones that are on it in SEMA. The new wheels are gonna be sticking out about another inch and a half, something like that. These are actually C6 pieces for the fenders, and I got that idea from my friend Albert from Texas. So the new wide body fenders are 2 inches wider. And you remember the old tires would stick out and throw rubber everywhere. I am really looking forward to not having to deal with that. You can't buy these fenders online anymore. You have to find the owner of the mold that used to sell them. And so I got a hold of them, was at LS Fest, and got them here just in time. They got painted and put on the car yesterday. The other surprise is that we have Leroy's old seats. They're called the sport seats, and they look a little different now. Hell yeah. And the sport seats have this nice little hole right here for the belts to come through rather than having to come around the side like they were with the previous seats. I didn't want to do race seats. They'd be a lot lighter, but these keep the actual factory look in here, which is the whole idea behind the car being a street car. Oh, look at that. They look so good in there. We got the new 1320 license plate on there. Hell yeah. Once the Man Cave guys pick it up, they're gonna take the car, detail it completely, coat it completely. If they don't hate me too much for the painter's tape. Dang, that stuff melted on there pretty good. Man, look at these seats. They look so good in there. So these seats are all overstuffed, so there's quite a bit more cushion in here. They are nice. I got these skins off the internet. You can have the colors match to whatever you want. We got all our sponsor stickers all fixed up. All the main players, the Shop Inc. right here. Chad's the man. RPM transmission, got the transmission rear end. Texas Speed, got the brand new 427 under the hood. Huron Speed twin turbo, and of course 1320 video. We got our tires for the new wheels. I got wider front so they're better driving on the street. And then I got my Mickey Thompson 275 Pros that are gonna go on the welds. And we got a little bit of Ignite fuel ready to go because we're gonna do a little cruising on the strip. And just in time, Man Cave boys are here. Oh, they brought a Ford. All right, this is the last time I'm gonna see the C5 Unicorn before SEMA. Next time we see it, we're gonna be seeing the new wheels on it. Actually, no, we're gonna cruise on the Vegas Strip with the Belix on it, then put the wheels on in the show so we don't screw anything up. I've been really nervous to this point to not mess the car up. You know, Cletus in Cars was like, it's sprinkling a little bit. I'm like, don't put it in the wall. The guys at the Man Cave are gonna take it back to Colorado. They're gonna detail it up, coat it. It's gonna be looking real good. I'm gonna see them in just a few days. I just got to the link where the Man Cave guys are buried somewhere in the parking lot here, the unloading zone with the Unicorn. You meet up with them, and Will, one of our photographers, go do a little photo shoot on the strip while I got the car here. That's the whole reason I flew in here early on a Sunday. So we're gonna do some cruising, a few photos, and then we're gonna put the new wheels on. I have not seen them yet. What's up? Good to see you again.
Fresh Corvette.
What's up?
How you doing? My name's Trevor.
Kyle, nice to meet you. Wow, look how clean it is. It is really bright.
We just dusted it off right now.
What all did you guys do to it?
Well, so we moved all the clear bra on it.
Yeah, that was
a
the
little
biggest
smoke damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they were yellow.
Yeah. We moved the clear bra on the fenders, the whole front bumper, behind the rear tires, along the whole doors. There was all clear bra. So
it was pretty yellow.
Full paint correction, ceramic coating. Should be ready to go and protected. So
the Man Keep putting in work. Man, it looks so good. Oh, it's so shiny. And the wide body is looking good. Alright, so we got a slight complication here. It's running really rich, and we've got some Ignite Red. We were running VP 98, which shouldn't really change it that much, but yeah, this thing just continues to fight me. So I'm gonna go plug in my laptop to see if we can figure out why it's running weird. Alright, Unicorn first aid kit coming right up. We got it running a little better. We took a lot of fuel out of the idle tables. We think from being in Colorado at the man cave, the plugs are just fouled out from running so rich up there. Alright, so we got it running pretty good. I need a little bit longer strip here to drive, but much better. Whew. It's getting nervous. Alright, we're in the 12, 11, still pretty rich. But it's not 8 and 9. Damn. So cool. Even as stressful as it is getting my car here and having to worry about getting it running right, I can at least just stop and look around, take a deep breath, and look at the scenery. So cool. Well,
What do you think, baby girl?
it's running better.
So you think it's just about plugs?
I think, yeah, we could check one and see what it looks like. So we'll get to one of the easy ones. At least we'll know. It's gonna be hot as f though. Thank you, Zach, for coming out and helping us with the car. I think we're good. I appreciate it. I'm gonna check out the trucks at the show.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna be at?
South Overhaul Hostel booth.
Okay. We'll come. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, nice to meet you. We'll see you.
Have a good one.
Alright. We're gonna take her for a spin. We'll be back. She's alive! We're gonna drive her around a little bit more, see if we can get cleaned up. It's still running pretty rich. The good thing about all of this is it forced me to figure out how to tune this thing a little bit. Chad helped me over the phone, so now I know how to tune the VE tables.
I figured you needed help.
Yeah, thank you.
Is registered. Please wait. How can I assist you, Bella? How can I help you?
Hey, we unloaded a car for SEMA. We don't have a ticket for it. Just trying to get out.
Okay, one moment.
Thank you.
All right, have a good night.
Thank you. It's so hard to find a spot here to drive more than like 5 miles an hour for more than 2 blocks.
Yeah.
It's so frustrating.
Where are we going, Kyle?
We're going to the strip. This is the reason I flew in a day early, because I wanted to drive the car down the strip. So when SEMA's over, I'm going to be at World Cup Finals.
So yeah, after
This is my only chance.
next time you see your car, it'll be back in Omaha.
Yep. Got the Bellagio on the left. Caesar's Palace on the right.
Well, here we go.
Send it.
Send her.
This is cool.
Things are going smooth.
Yeah. I wish I could two-step.
How much boost?
0.
Master tuner.
Master tuner. Yeah, I'm officially a tuner now. Alright, well that's it for tonight. I successfully got to drive the Unicorn down the strip, which is an awesome feeling. People looking everywhere, driving past all the hotels. It was amazing. It's been a little bit of a struggle today. We got the car running good enough to drive, so tomorrow will be fine to get into the show. And I flew in today just to do that. So I'm gonna drive it in to the show tomorrow with the new wheels on there, and I promise I'm gonna show you those. Sorry to keep teasing you, but we didn't want to put them on until right before we pull in the show, just so we don't risk anything happening to them, because there's literally only one set in the world, and they're in that trailer. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2 at SEMA. We're back here at the link. She's running way better this morning. Maybe I just needed a nap. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. All right, plan now is we're trying to get a few rolling shots on our way to SEMA. And I'm just going to drive it in because there's not much fuel left in the car and we don't have any extra. We still got to put the wheels on. Oh yeah, looks good. Is that Montego blue?
Yep.
I love that color. Pro charged. Nice. All right, bit of a predicament. We just put the front wheels on. First time putting them on the car, 3 hours before move-in ends here at SEMA, and it doesn't clear the brakes. Communication issue here and there, I don't know. But we're gonna try and find some longer studs to get on there tonight at the show. We gotta get it moved in the next 2.5 hours, or else we can't get in, period. The backs, we don't have a socket large enough for them, so poor planning on our part. But we're gonna get it into the show and hopefully not have to pull it out at the end of the night. Fingers crossed. We're about to roll into SEMA. We're still in the parking lot. Will's over here tuning. Don't touch anything. And we just took another 20% of fuel out, which means we've taken like 40% of the fuel out. We'll see how it drives now. If it doesn't want to die, that's good.
We are finally leaving the Link parking lot.
We got a little less than a quarter tank for 2 miles. I think we're fine. She's running pretty rich still, so.
We made it.
Woohoo! We're at SEMA. Oh, yeah. Light thing.
Yep, and they'll pull you in.
There's Jeremy.
Look how close you are.
The door is right there.
So close, but so far.
I know. Will had an idea where we just turn the wheel so you're not going to see if it's sticking out bad.
That or my idea is we'll just pull the cow.
That's a good idea. I like that idea.
I don't think.
My stress levels went from here to about here. There's still a little bit of work to be done, but we have the car in SEMA. Literally an hour and a half ago, we put the front wheels on, and I didn't think it was gonna happen. I was worried that I was just gonna be partying all weekend and the car wasn't gonna be here. So I'm very relieved. We found a solution to the front wheels. For now, we're just gonna pull the calipers off, put them on there, call it good. That's a lot better than some 1-inch spacers or whatever else we can come up with. I still haven't seen the wheels on the car, so we're gonna put those on now, and then I will actually show you.
Turn around, no peeking, no peeking. There you go, bud.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Ready? Oh, nice. That looks completely different.
Very good.
Look at it. This one's something different that not every other Corvette owner has.
You got very different wheels, and then you got that brake delete kit.
Yeah, look at that. They fit just fine.
I remember my first wheel.
That's pretty badass. I wish I could just run without brakes. It looks sick as fuck. You know what? It's gonna get some good publicity. You're gonna have so many, if people notice, you're gonna have so many pictures of these new wheels all over the internet. You think we can get the Jesse graphics?
Throwing down the pink slip, just like you. This fool is running a Honda 2000.
I thought it was hard to get my car in here. Look at this dude. Are you sweating a little bit?
Now, are those going to be in production or are those one-off? Yeah.
No, these are our latest RTS wheels, so they'll go into production for 19.
So tell us a little bit about them.
It's derived from our street strip lineup. It's a 3-piece welded construction. We build them for all applications really, but really popular in the late model stuff. So we can do different pad heights for brake clearance. We can do different offsets, different widths, basically 15-inch up to 20-inch. You can abuse them. I mean, they're for the street. So everything goes through FBA testing. It goes up through SFI testing. It meets all SFI requirements. So we don't sit them out the building unless they've been used and abused and make sure they're going to be safe for the car. So.
Happy?
I like it.
Long
really
2 days, but there it is.
Finally get to see the wheels. All right, let's take a look at it with the wheels on there. We still have the hood alignment issue. We're gonna have the hood up at the show. There's just too much to get done. I really like the backs a lot. I love how much black there is on here, and it's just like trippy. Like it looks like this is a solid spoke until you look closer at it. The fronts I like, but I wish they had more black on there, so we'll see if we can finesse them into making a few little changes. I don't know, it might be too late in the process. But the spoke design is cool, and the best part about all of this is we're about 3 inches or 4 inches wider in the back now, so it's gonna brighten up so you can, yeah, there you go. Look how wide it is. Thank you to everyone that's made it possible to get the C5 Unicorn here to SEMA. It's a big undertaking, as I found out my first year here, but thank you to Chad at the shop. He got everything done just in time. Thank you to the Man Cave guys from Colorado for getting the car detailed up, picking it up, bringing it out here, and I trusted them to do that. And it really, I would have been SOL if we just had a transport company come and pick it up. So thank you to Ryan, JR, Mike, all the guys, and thanks for Will out here shooting for us this weekend. Thank you to Weld Racing Wheels for allowing me to be in their booth. Got plenty more people to thank, but we're gonna go do some partying. Whew, it's got wheels on it. It's in SEMA. We're done.